My name is Annette Franz, founder and CEO of CX Journey Inc. In my latest article for CMSWire, I do a bit of a spin on the saying, 2 wrongs don't make a right, and instead write about the 8 rights that don't make a wrong. More on that in just a sec. What am I referring to? Data, and how to use it to design and deliver a great customer experience. Over the years, we've talked a lot about making sure that we get the right data to the right people at the right time to deliver that desired experience for the customer, right? But that's really only half of it. Data is at the heart of designing and delivering a great connected customer experience. Without that data informing your design and delivery, you really are flying blind. But that leaves you with a lot of questions, including how do we do that and which data? In this article, I reveal 4 things to consider to start with, and you'll certainly learn about those 8 rights that don't make a wrong. I think you'll really appreciate all of them. As always, I hope you enjoy this article. I look forward to your feedback and comments. Thank you so much for reading.